Hello, friends. It's been more than 5 months. Sushant Singh Rajput passed away in June, and अब नवंबर हो गया. दिवाली आके चली गई. But it's amazing to see how people are still fighting for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. People are connected with each other from all over the world. लोग जुड़े हुए हैं एक दूसरे से. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत हैज़ बिकम दैट कॉमन पैशन एंड फेथ जिसके चलते जिसने लोगों को बांध के रखा है, जिसके चलते लोग जुड़े हुए हैं. लोग सुशांत सिंह के बारे में बातें करते हैं, लोग उनके इंटरव्यूज़ देखते हैं, पीछे जा कर के मतलब वी ऑल फील दैट इट वॉज सच अ बिग लॉस एंड वी फील दैट इफ़ that guy would have survived, he would have done something for the industry, for the country, for the community, for the society. तो we all feel कहीं ना कहीं हमें गिल्टी भी फील होता है कि why we've been so indifferent to what was happening around us in the film industry, in the ad industry, uh, till few months back. And in a small way, we are also responsible for what happened to Sushant Singh Rajput. So at least उनके जाने के बाद things have changed. People are aware, people are watching what's happening in the society, and they are raising their voice if anything objectionable happens, if they are not happy with anything. Recently, Ranveer Singh was featured in an ad. ये एक चिप्स का एड था जिसमें कि जब उनसे एक सवाल पूछा गया तो इन अ वेरी फनी वे ही यूजेस द वर्ड्स लाइक फोटॉन इज इक्वल टू MC स्क्वायर, एलियन, algorithm and other scientific jargons. He made it sound like it's humorous or satire, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से I was shocked because the whole country is fighting for Sushant Singh Rajput. So many people are standing up for him, and he was known for his scientific aptitude. In many of his tweets and posts, he mentioned about the universe, about the aliens, about photon, and saying those things right now is like, in a way, making fun of what the people are connecting with. People are connecting with him because Sushant Singh Rajput had a scientific aptitude, and that made him different. That is why we feel he couldn't fit in the Bollywood. And it seems like that ad is making fun of all that. So I was shocked. I mean, I was like, why would they do that? It sounded so insensitive. But I'm glad that when I spoke to other people, they felt the same. And everybody was wanting that ad to be taken down. And I mean, everybody is saying that we are not going to buy that product that makes fun of, I mean, people's emotions, someone who passed away. I mean, and Ranveer Singh, if he couldn't say anything for him, at least he could have stayed quiet. The other thing is that when the copywriter was writing these words for the ad, I don't know what was going in his mind. How can he do that? So this is very strange, but the response to it is again something unique, something new, where people are not quiet. वो चुप नहीं बैठे जब लोगों को ये लगा कि this shouldn't have been done and it is objectionable, it is not acceptable. They raised their voices, and we all raised our voices on social media, Twitter. Let's see what happens. The other thing that happened is Amitabh Bachchan ki movie Jhund. It was supposed to be released, but the Supreme Court, I think it declined to lift the stay that was granted by the Civil Court and Telangana High Court. So they've put a stay on it that it cannot be released because somebody called Nandi Chini Kumar, he filed a complaint saying that he has the copyrights. So the big producers, शायद उन्होंने they took it for granted कि एक किसी के complaint file करने से क्या होता है, because it has happened in the past and people have not been able to stop something like this. I mean, we can talk to many other writers who claim that their stories were taken, and the concept of copyright does not exist in Bollywood. It seems like what exists is, if I'm a big producer, I can step on you. So, but this movie, uh, they have put a stay on the release. So let's see what happens. And it is a positive thing that happened. It is a positive thing that happened, that the big producers have to understand that they cannot just bully everyone around them. So we hope that we stay united. I always say this, that as people, our job is to, all we can do is ask for justice, spread positivity about Sushant Singh Rajput, about the movement. So let's keep doing that. Let's keep him alive in our thoughts, in our prayers, in our tweets, on the social media, because every time we talk about him, we learn something new. So, and he always talked positive. So even when we are fighting in this movement for justice, let's try to stay positive. Let's try to connect. Let's not troll. Let's not use bad words. And we hope that we will get justice. Even though it's been a long time and CBI hasn't come up with any update, we still keep asking, and we hope that very soon we will get some update. Thank you so much.